Well, hello there, cool cats and hot dogs. My name is Richie Summers, and today I will show you how I make my music using Autoglove, the glove that makes your music. Well, imagine you're kinda like me. You bought a whole lot of different shit, but you're too stupid to figure out how they actually work. That's when Autoglove comes into play. Let's see, what do we have here? I guess this is a drum machine, no? You see, I don't even know how to put this fucking thing on. But I sure do know how to put on a glove. The glove that makes your music. Yeah, sounds kinda groovy. Now, let's try some bass. Oh yeah, I like this. Let's try some more bass. More bass? Okay, more bass. Yeah, how about this guitar? Maybe some chords? Yes? Ooh, sweet mama. Out of glove. Never out of love. Out of glove. Yeah. Come on, yeah. Out of glove. Cause you fall in love. Never out of love without a glove. The glove that makes your music.